Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. The topic is shopping. Do you like shopping?
Of course, I like shopping because it's my hobby. So I usually go to shopping for like twice a week in a month, and a lot of my friends they get agitated by this course of action because they find it really difficult me while going with me because I am very confused person when it comes to shopping. So
Okay, when it comes to shopping, all right. So you can say, but overall, I love shopping. At the end, do you like shopping? At the end, one sentence, and try to overcome these ers and ahs. Okay, yeah. Let's go on. Do you compare prices when you shop?
yes, definitely I compare prices because I'm a student and I have a very limited pocket money, so that is why I need to concern about the prices. So I visit different shops to buy them.
Yeah, and to see where the product is available at an economical price or economical rate. Okay, that's right. Is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop?
Yes, exactly. It is really difficult for me, as I mentioned before, that because I'm a very confused person, and that is why I have to go to place to get the best thing for me.
Okay, so you can just add some more to that as well, right? Okay, when do you prefer to go for shopping? In the morning or at night?
Usually in the evening, I think is the best time to go for a shopping because there'll be no so much you can say people over there, so it would be easy for you to get the things.
It'll be easier for you to get the things done, so that's why I always prefer to go for shopping in the evening, right? Just add some more. I mean, you need to add some more content knowledge because I know you have the potential. So now I need to ripe your potential up to a level where you get very good bench score, right? Okay, that's good. Thank you. Now let's move on. Newspapers and magazines, that's the topic, and I'll ask you some questions about that. Do you prefer to read newspaper or magazine?
I do prefer reading the newspaper. I have a habit of reading the newspaper every morning. Magazines come only after a week or once in a month, so I find it very difficult to get my hands on them. That's why I don't like reading magazines.
Okay, do you prefer to read the news online or on a printed newspaper?
Nowadays, I read the newspaper online on my mobile phone as it is very convenient for me. Moreover, I can read the news no matter where I am. No matter where I am, it is only one click away from me since I carry my phone along with me every time.
All right. Do you often believe the news you read on social media?
It totally depends on the source from where you're reading the news. If the source is fine, you are reading the phone.
If the source is reliable,
If the
then
source
most
is reliable,
definitely.
then definitely you can read the news from them.
Okay, then I believe the news about that, and if there is no reliable source, then I usually don't believe that news. Do people prefer to read the newspaper in your country?
Yes, for sure.
Listen, do people prefer to read the newspaper in your country? Yes, in my country, people really prefer to read the newspaper because they want to know what's going on in the country. And most of the people in my country, they often talk about politics. So in order to improve their knowledge about political affairs, they love to read their favorite newspaper. Right? Now answer again. Do people prefer to read the newspaper in your country?
Yes, people do prefer to read newspaper in my country because people want to get themselves up to date on the current situation going in their country. People usually love talk on
People
politics.
usually love to talk about politics.
Politics. So I think politics is the favorite topic in the newspaper for me.
Politics is the favorite topic to read about in the newspaper for most of the people or something
In my
like that,
country.
right? So just focus your sentence structure and don't get confused if the question is different. Just try to answer, handle every question. They will not see your knowledge. They will only see your language. So just focus the question and answer in any possible way, whatever that is, right? Okay, thank you.